I like to put up trellises for my tomatoes. These trellises, this is a 2x2, 12 to 18 inches into the ground, and then stamp the dirt around it. This is conduit pipe, and we flattened the ends with a hammer, drilled a hole in the top of the 2x2. And then you line this up and just drop a penny nail down in there, and that will hold it in place all season. Now I've measured along here 12 inches and marked it with a magic marker, and now I'm using a twine. This is a tomato twine. It's a nylon. It's real nice because you don't have to burn the ends like a regular nylon would be. I did before. I just tie a little knot in it and bring it down all the way to the bottom and attach it to the conduit down here at the bottom. And we've attached the conduit to the 2x2 exactly the same way. It was hammered, and Steve drilled a hole through there, and then we use screws at the bottom. So I'll do this all along the length here till I have all of my strings. Now these will be tightened at the bottom to be nice and tight, and then you plant your tomato in the bottom and you slowly twine it around the string. It's a great system. I have 2 rows here started, and this will give me 36 tomatoes.